Hello there. We just got done watching the movie Tim. Prosthetics engineer Abby. Oh, by the way, this is from 2023. 1 hour, 41 minutes. Science fiction thriller. Prosthetics engineer Abby works on her company's latest product, an AI humanoid called Tim, that's designed to serve man. However, things soon take a turn for the worse when Tim starts to develop a dangerous obsession with her. I thought they did a pretty good job with this movie. It was semi-predictable. It's what you would expect from an AI robot helper in the home with an obsession type of movie.
And it doesn't say, but it's got to be rated R.
Oh, it doesn't say, does
say
it?
it anywhere.
Oh, yeah, it has to be rated R. Yeah. There wasn't any blood or gore.
Just slight.
There was some violence, but not any gore or anything like that. Yeah, I thought the casting was good. I thought the acting was good. I'd give it
3.5.
I'd give it a 3 out of 5. It's, like I said, these type of movies can be a little predictable.
Yeah.
But
still wasn't a bad watch.
No, it's worth one time through. I'll link it below. If you've seen Tim, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not seen this movie, do you typically like movies that are AI involved or robot involved? Let me know down below. For me,
Yes.
I know, Lisa, you
Yes.
like that kind of stuff.
Yes.
For me, it really depends on what the story's about, because some just aren't for me. I'm not a massive sci-fi fan, so yeah. Thanks so much for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.